What's up, guys? Welcome back. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Hopefully everybody's well rested and ready to start second semester Algebra 1. All right, so let's begin. I want to make a quick video by just mentioning a couple of changes that are going to happen in class. Change number one, we're going to get rid of cell phones, right? Every day when you come into class, you're going to turn in your cell phones on the calculator caddy that I have up at the front of the class, and you could pick it up the last couple of minutes before class ends, right? But we are not going to have cell phones out in class anymore. They're too much of a distraction. Too many of you are scrolling through social media while I'm teaching up in class, so that's not good. That's a big no-no. It's for your own good. We're going to turn them in every single day, all right? If you do not turn it in and you keep it secretively, and I catch you seeing your cell phone during a lesson or during a quiz or whatever we're doing during class, if I catch you with your cell phone, I will take it away and I'll turn it into the discipline office. And first offense, you'll be able to pick it up at the discipline office at the end of the day after school. Second offense, you will not be able to pick it up. Your parents or guardians will have to come in after school on their own time to pick up your cell phone. So please just follow the rules, turn it in at the beginning of class, pick it up at the end of class. Or the other option is turn off your cell phone and put it in your backpack so it's not seen at all. Okay? So I hope we understand that. What else? Another change that we're going to do is with regards to practice quizzes and practice tests. Now, we already know that I give you a practice quiz or a practice test a couple of days before the actual quiz or test. There's too many of you not doing it. Like as in, and they're worth 100 points. And not only that, the answers are attached to each question. I attach a video explanation of each question and the answers are provided for you, right? So there's too many of you not doing it, too many of you getting zeros instead of hundreds, right? So, and then after the quiz or test or like a month later, you guys are like, oh, could I go back and do that assignment for 100 points? That's just, you're missing the point. The whole purpose of a practice quiz or practice test is to get you ready for the actual quiz or test. So from now on, starting January the 8th, right, Monday, when I assign a practice quiz or practice test, that thing needs to be turned in at the beginning of class on the day of the quiz or test. After the test, if you're asking me like, oh, could I go back to last week or 2 weeks ago to do that assignment? I am not going to be giving full credit anymore. I mean, maybe I'll give you half credit, partial credit, but I'm not going to be giving you full credit for a practice quiz or practice test that was meant to be done before the actual quiz or test. So please, when I give you a practice quiz or practice test, do it, study it, and turn it in before the actual quiz or test, okay? Besides that, there's nothing. All right, so I hope we're ready to rock. Let's do it. See you guys in class.